Alright, here's the setup. I made up a mock-up deck lid here so I could mount the switch and have it operate. Had a little bit of geometry trouble, but I figured it out. Alright, so the first thing you do is you raise the deck lid, push the button to release the safety switch. You got a trunk safety switch here marked out with a slide just to test it. So to test either switch, I'm going to put the deck lid back down so that's like it's latched. And if you operate the motor with the trunk open, it's going to sound like that. It's going to try to move, but so I'm going to close the trunk, open the deck lid, and top is in the up position, so I want to go down to the blue, which is that side on the switch. The first thing it's going to do is raise the deck lid, and it hits those contact switches, which I got a little bit of trouble with. They need some adjustment. And I hit the up instead of the down. And there we go. And it's going down. When it reaches down, it switches over to the deck lid, because the down limit switch tells the deck lid solenoid to then close. And when it gets to the position, you got to release the switch and latch down the deck lid. Well, there it is. Now let's do a up cycle. Again, release the deck lid. Up. Now it's going to open the deck lid. And it's going to raise the top cylinders. When it gets to the top limit switch, it switches over and closes the deck lid. Same as when it goes up. Top that is. And that's it. And again, this is what it'll sound like if the deck lid is still latched, which I just latched it, simulated. This is what it's going to sound like. It's going to be a strain like that. It's not going to sound normal. This is the normal sound. Got the pump running. There's the deck lid going up. I'm going into a down cycle now again. These are a little slow because these are original pistons. I had to do a lot of work to them. There's the deck lid going down again. And when it gets to the end, you gotta stop because there's no limit switch for the down deck lid. Only for the up deck lid. And that's it. And I do have still a little leak. It's this plug right here. It's giving me trouble. Alright, that's it.